Hi guys, Robert Rivera here with the Rivera Trading Group in association with Trend Trading Academy. And this is Monday, the 5th of December. I'm looking at GBPJPY, one of my favorite ones to trade recently. It has already broken out of consolidation, or I should say it closed above the previous consolidation. It's still within the zone. And so I'm looking to catch now an impulse entry here as this flips from red to green. And unfortunately for me, as soon as I went in, it starts going against me, right? But no problem, as long as it doesn't break its own wick. Here I switch over to the 5 minute, I believe, so I can see better what's going on. And I see that the momentum is in my favor, so I'm good. The only problem with this trade, though, is to risk manage it, it's going to be very, very tight. I'm going to have to do this in the 5 minute, which is kind of why I'm switching over here so I can keep a track on it because the 15 minute is practically already at my stop loss. So here you see how it's already gone in my favor. Now, I have edited this video to make it a lot faster so as to not bore you. This all took about 30 minutes and I condensed all into 5 minutes, and I'm actually sharing with you guys 3 trades today. So this is the first one of them. And you see how it's moving up, moving up. I'm flipping between the 15 minute and the 5 minute, keeping an eye on what's going on, trying to keep an eye on the bigger picture, but there isn't enough volume here. I mean, this is my concern. It is breaking the highs, right? But there isn't enough volume, and I'm considering taking profit here, but I didn't. And because I was hoping that it would break the 10 pip mark and perhaps keep going to the top, but it stalled right there at 9.8, 9.7 or something like that, which is kind of petty. I could have just taken that, but it didn't. And so now it starts moving down, and I'm starting getting a little concerned here about what's going on. And so as soon as it hits this is now the 5 minute, that was a 15 minute before. As soon as it hits right there, I took half of it off, and as soon as it broke below the low right there, it's already doing that, I closed the whole thing. Unfortunately, right there, I could have taken a 1%er basically at 10 pips, but I didn't. So I went ahead and moved now to gold. Here it comes here in just a minute. We're going to start seeing gold because that didn't work out, and I was not interested in going back in. When I come over to gold, I see how it is breaking down. It had already closed below. That candle already closed below. This is a 15 minute, I believe. It's closed below, or the 5 minute. I can't remember. No, this is a 15 minute. It's already closed below the previous support, and it is seeking to break out of my bottom zone. I went ahead and went in, and actually I took two small positions on this one because I wanted to be able to make up for the difference on the other one. I couldn't use. I was using the magic keys on the previous one, and so that kind of already managed my position. But here I had to do it manually because it was moving so quickly. So I went ahead and put two small positions, and this paid out rather quickly. This was right away. It went to for 22 pips. I went ahead and took it, and then it consolidated a little bit after this. And then I waited until the Nasdaq opened. So about 9:30, I came back to the market, and I'm waiting and I'm waiting to see what's going on here. I see that the market is consolidating here on the 5 minute, and in just a second that it's going to open. I believe we're going to see the open here in just a moment. And I'm waiting and I'm waiting and I'm waiting and I'm waiting. Where's my open? There's my open. Okay. And it made its first move down. Now, having made its first move down, now I'm interested in a flip here. I'm waiting to see if it's going to come back up and turn green. And as soon as it does, it's just going to be here in just a moment. It's going to flip green for me. And there it is. And I went in. And as soon as I went in, it starts moving in my favor. My magic keys was not open. So I had to go over and do that so that I could open it just so that I could keep track of my pips on the top. And now I'm focusing my attention on the price action. Price action starts moving up. It's still hesitating a little bit. There you go. Usually when it flips, it moves pretty quickly. And it starts hesitating here, and I went ahead and took profit, and that is it. I hope that you guys benefited from this. I hope that this is helpful, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.